Let me ask you something. Have you ever set a goal and then never followed through? You had the desire, the excitement, the dream, but somehow the energy faded away. The spark disappeared. Why? Today I want to talk to you about the force behind our action. Force called motivation. What is it? Where does it come from? And most importantly, how can we make it work for us every single day? What is motivation? Motivation is the inner drive, the reason behind every action we take. It's why we wake up early to chase a goal, why we push harder even when we are tired, why we do not give up even when things seem impossible. But motivation is not just a hype. It's not just watching a YouTube video and feeling pumped for a few minutes. Real motivation is deeper. There are two types of motivation. Intrinsic motivation, which comes from within, doing something because you enjoy it or it fulfills you. For example, painting because you love it, running because it clears your mind. Eccentric motivation comes from outside, doing something for a reward or to avoid punishment. For example, studying to get good grades, working overtime for a promotion. Both of them are very, very powerful. How does motivation work? Motivation starts in the brain. When we anticipate a reward, the brain releases dopamine, a feel-good chemical. This surge of dopamine gives us energy, focus, and drive. But here's what's interesting. Dopamine is not just released when we get the reward. It's released when we pursue it. That's why motivation is not just about achieving the goal. It's about moving towards it. The motivation cycle start with the need or desire. I want to get fit. Drive. Let me join the gym. Action. I start working out. Reward. I feel better. I see result. Reinforcement. You repeat the cycle. But what happens when the cycle breaks? Why motivation fades? Let's be real. Motivation does not always last. We have always said, I will start tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes. So, why do we lose motivation? Lack of clarity. If the goal is not specific, your mind would not commit. Saying I want to be successful is vague, but I want to launch a business by December 1st give you direction. Overwhelm. Big goals can feel paralyzing. The brain does not like uncertainty. Break goals into small steps. Tiny wins fuel momentum. Fear of failure. We avoid action because we are scared to fail. But remember, failure is not opposite of success. It's a part of it. Lack of purpose. When you forget why you started, motivation fades. Reconnect with your why. Why does this matter to you? Let's talk about the solution. Motivation is not magic. It's a muscle. You trained it, and here's how. Set clear, measurable goals. Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Visualize your future. Close your eyes. Imagine your success. Feel it. See it. The brain responds powerfully to vivid mental images. Track progress. Small wins matter. Keep a journal. Celebrate tiny victories. Change your environment. Remove distraction. Surround yourself with inspiration. Motivation grows in the right surrounding. Accountability. Tell someone your goals or work with someone who challenges you. Discipline and motivation. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. Build habits because habits will carry you when motivation does not. Real life motivation stories. Thomas Edison, over 1000 failed attempts before inventing the light bulb. When asked about the failure, he said, I did not fail 1000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1000 steps. J.K. Rowling, rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter was finally picked up. She was a single mother in a welfare, but her beliefs were unshaken. What's the lesson? Motivation is not about instant success. It's about not giving up when it's hard. Final message. Motivation is not something you wait for. It's something you ignite. You have a spark inside you. It may be dim right now, hidden under fear and failure, but it's there. And when you take the first step, no matter how small, that sparks grow. Start before you feel ready. Do it even if you are scared. Move and the motivation will follow. Because the truth is, your dreams are waiting not for tomorrow, not for someday. They are waiting for you today.